everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me, Fatihah, and welcome back to EP 004. I'm actually not sure, but EP 004 of tea time. And as you guys can see, oh, by the way, if you're new here, I'm Fatihah, and if you're not new here, then if you're not new here, then you all know who I am already. Like, if you're new here, nice to meet you. I'm Fatihah, by the way. And like, if you guys are not new here, nice to meet you too. I love you guys. I love everyone. As you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna be making a 2022 room tour. I think like a few of you guys DM me asking me like, make a room tour, and I really want to, but then again I feel like nothing much has changed in my room. But then again, like, you guys asked for it, so I'll do anything if you guys ask for it. So here I am, gonna be making a room tour for you guys. This is going to be like a real room tour. The reason why I said it's real is because I feel like my room now is not really in a perfect condition. Like, if you guys walk around in here, you guys can actually like see dust and hair holes and stuff like that. But I'm so lazy to like vacuum my room just for the sake of doing a room tour. I mean, like, it's not bad, okay, it's not that bad, but it's just that you guys might see dust here and there. A few of you actually replied to my story like asking me macam, my room tak collect dust ke, like your room tak ada habuk ke. Well, actually there's like a lot of it, but I just act like I don't see it. Yes, and then in the morning I'll get my rear stone and life's great. Anyways, my face is so bullet. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's get into it. Before that, I want to show you guys my outfit of the video. I'm not gonna look short because this is not like the best angle, but I'm wearing my top. I'm wearing this top thrifted from Hello Loop, and then I'm wearing my skirt thrifted from Carousel, and I'm wearing my IKEA room sleepers, and it's really cute. I feel so Christmassy when I wear this, like it's winter here in Malaysia. But anyways, let's go. Let's get into the video. So when you first enter my room, this is what you'll see. A 360 of my room. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna start from behind the door of my room. This is what you'll see. The thing behind my door, this is what's happening there. A lot of tote bags, my caps, and just tote bags. Actually, there's like a lot of tote bags here. Over here is my sejarah, my telekong, and also like a few of my clothing yang I still want to wear it and it's not dirty, so I just hang it there. Look at my laundry basket. It's like the cutest thing ever, and it reminds me a lot of like Chamberlain coffee punya packaging. It's like so cute. And then rucksack over there. Moving here, I have my tripod for my content making, and then this hanging storage thingy I got from Kaison, and a lot of like, you know, shopping bags, cotton buds, and umbrellas and things like that. And down there is a basket full of yarns. Moving here is a rack of stuffs. So starting from here, they're just like my shoulder bags, my daily bags actually, and then my tote bags and a few more behind there. And then there's a little poison ivy there, a little moo cow, and my Bluetooth speaker, and that's about it. Oh yeah, and then this one, my kepala charger yang I tak guna dah, so I just put it there. And then over here are just like my self-care thingy, skincare, daily care basically, nothing much. Oh, by the way, I've been obsessed with H&M's perfume. It smells so good. I have one in Sunray, and this white one is in cashmere, and it smells amazing. It smells like Lush, serious, and it's only like 27 ringgit and 90 cents. And then my capcut, and then this one is just a bunch of my rings and my pins for tudong and badaol, and these are all my skincare. So let's move to the next floor. So over here, we have my Sunny's Face makeup pouch. I have this new candle I got from IKEA. This Hello Kitty coaster is from my sister-in-law punya kedai, Shop Kite on Instagram. You guys can check it out. It's really cute. Then I have my, what do you call it? I think it's vanity mirror, stand mirror, just a mini stand mirror. Yep. That I don't usually use anymore. And then here is just like my daily stuff juga yang I just want to use, you know, like my hair cloths, hand sanitizer, some plasters, and my tissue about gamma, and then this is for my candle and other random stuffs in there too. Moving to the next floor, the last floor, just some random documents I have in there, and then my files for my college and stuffs, and then my sunset lamp, some of my Justin's punya albums. There is just a stock of cotton pads. Let's move to this side. So here, still the same. Oh wait, we haven't filmed the site here. We have like my sling bags. This is from Panda Eyes. And here I got my Kate Spade sling bag, and then this is thrifted. And over here, just random magnets. This is actually my sister's, but she seems to not care about it, so I just like kind of use it as a decoration. And this animal sticker is enamel. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's from Typo. And here, over here, I just have like a lot of like cekat rambut that I impulsively bought when I was at Mr. DIY because it's just so cheap and so cute, so I just like had to get it. Now let's move here. So over here, still the same as my previous room tour. I have my Back to the Future poster and also my Mamma Mia, Don't On the Dynamos. Really cute, iconic. Here I have like a very random stuff. I just simply pin like a lot of them, things that I don't want to lose it for some reason. I just feel like there's like a lot of memories, so I just pin it over here, like everything. And look at this batik earring I have. It's so cute. It's from Beautiful Bijouterie. Yeah, that's their Instagram. You guys can follow them on Instagram. And then moving down here is my quilted tote bag I got from H&M. Very famous, this one. A lot of you guys love it on TikTok. And here it is, hanging in my room with my checkered hair cloth that I don't even use. I just bought it because I want it to look cute with the bag. Here we have my kasut and my roller skate over there, and at the side of my study table we have a lot of face masks and sunnies. Moving to my study table. My study table is pretty much still the same, except that my laptop has less stickers now. And that's my iPad and my pencil case. Oh, I link everything that you guys always ask in the description box down below, so you guys can check that out. My eye Soju, and that's my Bluetooth remote. This is very useful since I do a lot of content. Over here I have this cutest little candle from IKEA, and also the cutest coaster down here. It's so freaking cute. It's from Needle Thoughts, and I love it so much, and I just put my candles on there. Oh, also look at this sticker. It says Samba Belacan Girl, and I love Samba Belacan. This is my current read. I actually finished People We Meet on Vacation. This is my current read now. It's Man Walks Into a Room by Nicole Cross, and I actually thrifted this book for like 5 ringgit from a pre-loved like secondhand bookstore. It's a good book so far. I'm loving it. And over here, my mouse and my chair. This is where I sit. And in here are just a lot of my phone cases and random stuff. I really tried my best to keep this organized, and I think it's not bad. And at the curtain over here, I have a little 11 from Stranger Things and her Eggo. Very cute. Let's move on to the new addition of my room. Like, this is actually the latest addition of my room. I got the rack from IKEA. And on top there, nothing. I'm planning on putting more books since I'm planning to buy a lot more books, so maybe books are gonna be up there. But over here are some of my books that I've read all, except for 1984 by George Orwell, because there's just so many words and I always ended up sleeping when I tried to read it, so I don't know when will I read that. But that's my Self-Love Is In candle from Typo. And then moving on to the next floor, this is just like my makeup stuffs and a candle I got from Local Candle, and then that's from IKEA, the flowers, and then my Cosmeton moisturizer and my Pure Jasmine room spray from Kaison. It smells amazing, by the way. And these are just some of my makeup products that is collecting the dust, as you guys can see. And then moving on to the next floor is my bag from Sometimes by Asian Designers. And I love this so much because it has my name printed on it, and I'm just so obsessed with it. and I pinned my fisheye lens there just in case I want to use it. And then moving on to the next floor. So this floor is just my jewelries. Those are my rings, and then in there is my bracelets and my candle from Typo, my Basis earbuds, and my seashell little plate thingy I got from JBR bundle. And this is my Paris keychain. Here is just a random storage thingy that I don't use that much. Like, I used this thing when I was in college, but now that I'm at home, I don't really use it. Belakang is my makeup pouch. And last floor is just some random stuffs, like even more random stuffs that I just simply put there. And as you can see, my fake lashes. We love to see it. It's from Mr. DIY and it's only 5 ringgit, guys. And above here, we still have my butterfly garden thingy. Let's move to my bedside. Look at that. This is my favorite place ever on earth. So the first thing I have here is my air diffuser, and then my scrunchies, my alarm clock, and my little cactusy plant. It's a fake one. Oh wait, that's not a cactus, that's a terrarium, I think. I don't know. Sorry if I'm wrong. I'm just trying to look smart here. This is my reading lamp that I just clip over here so I can lay down and read books. Over here is pretty much new. Like, I haven't shown you guys this side of my room before because this is new since I moved the mirror here. Like, before this, it's like there, and now it's here. And I look so matchy. So that's my coat shoulder bag, and these are just some random stuffs that I just simply want to put on the wall. Like, this is from some time by Asian designers. Really cute. And then this is from Harry Rose. And this one I bought from Shopee. This is my Keith Haring. I think it's a tag because I bought something from Cotton On that is like featuring Keith Haring, so I got that. My IKEA, no, I usually say IKEA as IKEA, so over here is my IKEA bag, shopping bag, and my cow print tote bag from Dania, and my earpods, and that's a picture of me, Dania, and Nasha. And then we have like my Sunny's Face punya packaging that I just want to put it on my wall because it's just so cute. I love the packaging. Like, I love Sunny's Face. This is my bed now. Very plain and basic, but I love it so much. So over here are just all my plushies. I'll link down below if there's a link for it. And then over here is my iPad case, actually, because my iPad is there. So I just put the case on the bed. And a lot of you guys wanted to know where the stickers are from. This is from Attention sticker from Shopee. This is from Shopee. This is from Typo, and this is from Typo. I really can't find it anymore, so I'm really sorry I can't link it to you guys. This is my newly addition family member, plushie member, and I love it so much. I haven't given it a name yet, but it's so big and so fluffy, and I hug him every night because it's just so fluffy. I love it. Let's move to the Wall of Fame. Tinin. I don't really want to explain one by one because it's pretty much the same as my previous room tour again, but there are just a few of additional stuffs that I added onto this wall, which is this crocheted bag from Shop Kite. I love it so much. I haven't got the chance to use it yet because I really see myself using this bag when I'm at the beach, so I haven't been to a beach yet. So at Aya or Eve, if you're watching this, I want to go to the beach. Others are pretty much the same. Everything here is still the same as my previous room tour. But over here, I kind of put my Cosporta Pro headphones, and it's one of my favorite thing ever. Like, I saved up for this, and it's so cool, and I don't regret like spending my money on it. I just love it so much. And over here, I have a coaster from honeyblossom.my. I'll link them down below. It's so cute. I decided to put it on the wall because I don't know, I just love the color and it matches the theme here. And then I have my little cheese cow sticker I got from Shopee, and this is just a simple cute letter that has my name on it and a heart symbol, heart emoji. Very cute. And this is where my mirror is now. I love it. Like, this is one of my favorite spots now. I am most of the time sitting there. And yes, that's dirty because my little niece just broke my blusher and it's smudged all over my rug, but that's okay. Cons of having a white rug, that's what you get. Over here is my foam mirror, And then I put my shopping bags over here. The green one is from H&M and the white one is from Shopee. And then I have my Von Dutch cap over here. I thrifted this from Carousel. And then over here, I have a picture of mini me because every time I look in the mirror, then I see this picture and then I'll be like, you've grown so well and I'm so proud of you. Always. Look at how sassy I look there. And then over here, I don't know if you guys remember Angela from my previous room tour, but Angela died. So I replaced Angela. I'm sorry, Angela, I love you forever. But this is now my new plant. It is called B. A follower of mine gave me the name and I love it so much. This is B and this is Poco. But let's get to B first. So this is B in her frog vase I got from JBR Bundle. These are some of my books. I've read them all except for Girl in Pieces and also KL Noir. I just bought that because it's like 10 ringgit. Over here is my rings that I don't really use, and this is my makeup storage. And also I have an obsession with Rare Beauty and Sunny's Face because of the packaging basically. Like I don't really care about the quality. I know, but then again the quality is amazing, so A+ for that. Then meet Poco in her typo vase and it's already dirty because I've been watering it and it just, you know, went there. Over here is my makeup brushes and there are just like my bags and my Air Force. And over here we have like packaging of my stuffs that I haven't buang yet. So you just leave it there. Yeah, basically that's the wall, like pretty much the same. Just slight changes here and there. Here we have my Keith Haring poster. It's really cute. It's also like cuter because I feel like he's running to the bathroom because he's having stomachache. Like he's having cymbalate here and he needs to go to the bathroom. Like to the toilet, I mean, so. Yeah, I love it. I love it there. It matches my room vibe so much. Like the color matches my room so well and I love it. That's my little dustbin. This is my cow print wardrobe and my shoulder bags. I crocheted this myself. Are you proud of me? Over here, I have like random stuff that I want to stick on and I really love this section of my room too. It's really cute. Like look at that, so pastel-ish. And then down there we have my denim shoulder bag and my Adidas Esther. And over here are just some of my clothing. This is my puzzle checkered rug and it's actually like detachable. But okay, pros of this rug, it's really cute, but the cons, it's very hard for it to stay still because, for example, like look at that, it's detaching and it's so annoying for some reason, but it makes my room look cute, so I don't really mind. That's it, guys. Let's get back to me in front of my window over there. Let's get me sitting there again. Let's get a little drinking break because I just talked for like 24 minutes straight. That felt good. That's all for my room tour. Like, you know, there are some, like I said in the video, in my previous clips, I feel like my room is pretty much the same. Nothing much has changed except for the arrangement of my bed, my mirror, and then there's some like, you know, new additional stuff that I added in my room. But basically not much because I'm currently loving my room situation at the moment. Like I don't feel like changing it into something else because I just feel like this room just screams myself. So I really love it and I just want to keep it this way until to the point where I feel like I've changed. I really hope you guys enjoy watching my room tour because I really do enjoy talking for 24 minutes straight. I just love talking. And I hope I'll see you guys soon. I try not to, like, you know, make you guys wait for so long. Not that anyone cares, but you know, I just want to feel like a typical YouTuber, you know, saying that. I hope all of you guys are having a good day and hoping for you guys to have a great week ahead. And I hope you guys are doing everything that you love. And yeah, I'm sending hugs and kisses and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.